All the gangsters disappear all time.
Cry,
cry, baby, moonshine, darling. Take off your clothes and go to your bed. What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I've decided to start uploading 3 times per week. On Mondays and Saturdays, I'll upload a reaction video to a story, and on Wednesdays I'll just react to random videos, funny videos, sport videos, etc. For today's video, let me make it clear that I respect all women, no matter their size or color, and I wish no jail time on anyone. With that being said, I want you to enjoy this video. Yeah, these are the new waist trainer, I think, or Kim Kardashian panty that she has sell. Wait a minute. I saw a belly. No, I don't. What? Before, after? Huh? No. This is deceiving. Yo, this worse than makeup. I rather a woman wear makeup and deceive me than do this. If you have belly, be proud of it. Step to the road and show your true body. Nobody do this. Hide your gut and then come a road and go on like you don't have no gut. No. Just imagine you go a club and feel like you bring home a tickers with flat belly, and she take this off and boom! It's a tsunami drop in front of you. No. This ain't right, ladies. This ain't right. Mama look good still. Go on, go deceive them, mama. Go on. Look at you,
Seattle police who chased
crying
the
like a
suspect
bitch.
down onto I-5. The suspect is seen
I thought you were a
bolting away
gangster,
here from
bro.
officers
Weren't you the
who were
leader of the
trying to
chop?
arrest him. He
Chop it
sprints
up.
all the way
Why are you
across
running from the
active
cops?
interstate and jumps over
Man
a
up.
Jersey barrier onto an exit ramp below.
You're not bad.
And he disappears under an overpass. Now, minutes later, Cairo 7 cameras spot that
Look at dude.
suspect who is now in pain.
All the
from being
gangsters
injured,
disappear all
being
time.
treated by
Cry,
paramedics while
baby,
police
moonshine,
question him.
darling. Take off your
Nearby,
clothes and
an
go to your
abandoned
bed.
Nissan Pathfinder
Like you
police
want
say
my
was
cry
stolen,
because somebody
appeared
not
to
tell
have
him
crashed
bedtime
in
story.
traffic,
Go on a
allegedly
jail.
being driven by this same
Stupid
suspect
ass.
who became a very familiar face during the 22-day CHOP protest.
Hey peeps, thanks for watching. I hope the video didn't offend anyone. I know how sensitive the world is right now, so I hope you got a laugh from it. If you did, give this video the thumbs up, leave a comment, share, and help me grow the channel. Subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. Until next time, stay safe.
Watch me act you down, this gonna go down.